Hello, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and it is SheModern Saturday. Today I want to start off with talking about monetization and the ads. Everybody goes through this, it's not just me. I know a few girls recently have contacted me and asked me about revenue and monetization, and I just want to say, if you don't watch the ads, if you skip them, we get no revenue. There will be no revenue. So please don't skip. Please let the ads play. Don't pay attention to them if you don't want to for that 30 seconds or that 1 minute. But just let them play, please. So we are going to, as Pumpkin would say, we are going to crack on. Pumpkin says that she's from the UK. That means we're going to get on with it. We're going to get to it. We're going to move on with our manicure or our demo. Our demo today is inspired by Sassy Fantasy. She has got another channel where we can now comment, but the name of it escapes me. It's Sassy Fun, or Sassy's Fun, and I can't remember. But I will link Sassy Fantasies, her channel, somewhere around here. Up in the corner there'll be an icon. Throughout the video around now, I'll also put the icon for SheModern. This is not a PR video. I bought the MSC plane with the inks, the gel. Whoopsie. The gel inks. I have 5 that I purchased off Amazon. I got the pink, the white, the peacock red, and orange. So we are going to be playing with those. Sassy discovered through playing how to make bubbles. So we are going to open these. I have this acrylic lipstick holder from Amazon. It is perfect for the tiny bottles of pigments and everything. So I stuck these in here. I have 5, so I had like 9 empty holes. But these are perfect. Tina's got one where it's just the 9. She takes her bottles out and opens. You don't have to do that. You can leave them sit in there and just twist, and they're open. So, to do this, you are going to need a top coat. Preferably a glossy top coat, I assume. The tools I'm going to be using, I have a dotting tool. The size is up to you. I have got my ombre brush. And I have got, let me see, can you see this? Okay, that's what I'm going to be using here today. We're going to start with the black nail and then the white gel ink. I have got the glove on because I'm a messy girl, and sometimes I end up splattering myself with the gel inks. And it's kind of like food coloring in a way, or alcohol inks, where you don't want that on you. It will stain you for a bit till you wash. Okay, there is our top coat. We are going to get our white brush, wipe it off real good. I'm going to put 3 dots, and as you can see, they already start to spread. They are activating, is that the right word? Activating? Oh, what's the word I'm looking for with the top coat? Transforming. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let these sit for just a second. You can kind of manipulate, hold your nail in certain directions. Maybe it'll help them spread in that direction too. We're going to do a smoky nail. So I'm going to let that sit for just a second. This is all going to be in real time. I'm not going to speed anything up, so this may be a longer video. Please don't skip. You may miss something, you may miss steps that are important to do here. I feel like my mat's not over far enough. I don't know. I feel discombobulated. I need a lint-free wipe to wipe my brush off on when I need it. Okay, we are ready to go. So I'm going to use my ombre brush to the corner of it, and I'm going to dab, dab, dab. I'm going to take this down into the next white. And I'm just dabbing along. Well, that looks really cool, doesn't it? I think that looks really cool. So I'm going to wipe my brush off on the lint-free wipes. Now, I'm going to get a palette I have here, and what was it? I'm going to get some top coat. Put me a dollop of top coat out. I also have some white and black on here that you're going to be able to see or can see. Love, love, love how this looks. Like normally when Tina does the smoky to black nail, I think she's putting one dot in the middle. I did the 3 because I wanted it more pronounced. But I am going to get my dotting tool and I'm going to put it in the gel top coat and I'm going to dab it into the smoke. It should spread where I have put it. And it will make, as Sassy calls them, bubbles. Let me see, where are we? That's all I'm going to put in this nail. I mean, I didn't know how well it would show up on the black, but I wanted to try it myself. Sassy's video is like an hour long, and I got a really short attention span. Especially when I'm watching something, my mind will get sidetracked. And I seen Tina's video first from SheModern. I immediately grabbed my stuff and did one nail, which was this nail here. Minus the white veins that I drew in. Posted that on Instagram. Tagged Sassy in it. You know, you gotta give credit where credit's due. She's the one that came up with the idea for the bubbles. I'm gonna put this in the lamp. So I tagged her. I tagged Tina from SheModern. And to show them what I did, I thought it was a super, super cool idea that Sassy came up with. So props to you, honey. So now we are going to go on to our next nail. I'm not sure what colors to do. Oh, I want to do the orange and the red. Gotta do the orange and the red. I keep moving my mat. Running out of this little bitty bottle of top coat has went a long, long way. I'm really surprised to say. We're going to need another top coat here soon though. So I'm going to switch my bottles around because I want the orange and the red up front now. Wipe off my brush. Put me a couple of dots. I'm going to get my red and do the same thing. And I did this one in practice already. It turned out really beautiful. I'm hoping this turns out just as well. I'm going to let them spread. I'm going to try and manipulate them some. But I love how they just spread and transform with the top coat per se. Love, love, love. So I'm going to dab, 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 dab. Oh, where'd my luxury wipes go? Shoot. Well, the thread's really taken off. Whoops. Got too much going on there. Oh, I should have gloves on both hands. I'm just going to dab, dab, dab the colors. They are going to mix. I have a lot of color on here, so I am wiping my brush off. And I'm going to wipe my glove off. I got color all over the index finger. Okay, I'm going to let that sit for just a second. I'm going to clean my brush off. I'm going to let that do what it does. I got my dotting tool ready. Oh, pause this over here. Got Tammy playing from Tammy's Manuscript doing watch time. So why don't you head on over there, give Tammy some playtime, if you will. If you got an extra device that you can pop her on. And these cells slowly open up. I just love how this looks. I'm hoping that you can see the bubbles and how they slowly, Sissy calls them a cell. I think that is super, super cute. I'm going to leave this here for a second. Wipe my glove off again. Oh boy. I think this is turning out really, really cool. I think this is a great idea. It was a wonderful experiment. For her to come up with it, for me to try, I think this is just wonderful. So I'm going to pop this one in the lamp. And I am curing them. The gels, inks do not cure, they say. I've done 2 nails. I've showed you that we are going on 13.5 minutes. I'm going to do 1 or 2 nails off, film, and come back. Alright, We are back. These are all fresh out of the lamp. These are the two I did on camera. These two here. These three, hopefully, if everything worked out in the editing program, were sped up. And you still get to see me do these. So, please go check out Sassy Fantasy. She can direct you to her other channel where you can leave comments. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, click the bell, and click all that way you get notified of all future videos. This video today is gel inks, and I'm going to have to call it Soul Transformation, because that's what happened here today. You have the transformation of the gel inks themselves, the gel inks, and then the top coat dotted in, which makes them turn into cells. So that was pretty cool, don't you think? Love the smoky nail on the black. Loving that one. But I think they each have their own flavor. I think they're all pretty cool. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the process, the look, how these turned out, the whole shebang. I'm very curious and interested to hear what you have to say about these. Don't hold back. I want to hear it all. So leave a comment down below. Please subscribe, like, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, please. That has to do with the algorithm, I believe it is called now. I think I can say it. That, as well as, please don't skip the ads. Please let them play. That is how I make my revenue. Let's see, what else can I say? I appreciate you for being here and for your support. For those of you who do let the ads play, I appreciate what you do. I really do. That's how I can make my revenue and buy more products. And we have to wait till it reaches $100, and we're not there yet. We're working on it. So, this is the end of our video. The Manny, the demo, the experiment is complete. It is finito. Remember, leave your comments down below. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.